Today is Sunday, July 1st. First lecture of the month. For my friend from Chicago, coming over here. This is my Wonder Motor rotisserie machine. You can see it's a very small one. Starting a 26-pound pig. She improvised everything. Okay, jack. This on the side. Jack. Looking good. Looking good. Very good machine. I ordered this from wondermotor.com. You can see, feel it. Not even a bit of hotness in here. This is 10 RPM, variable speed. Look at the control for variable speed. Good. Piglet.
I left my head in the water for 20 seconds. Count.
Look good.
1, 2, 3, 4,
And the keys are a little full here.
7,
The keys from
8, 9,
Chicago.
8, 11,
Friends over there.
12,
3.
13, 14, 15. You went for 15 seconds.
X.
You gotta get 20. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Normal.
This is already at least 2 hours now.
Go normal. 1, 2, 3, go.
And a 4 RPM speed. And later on I'm going to switch it to the other side. I just made this connection here.
14 seconds. Count normal.
Very, very quiet.
1, 2,
Wondermotor.com.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15,
Alright,
16, 17, 18,
that's it for now.
20,
Until it's done, I'll show it to you later on.